This is it. This is the power adapter for these kind of batteries. It's a NB4L kind of battery used by quite old models like the XS55, some kind of PowerShot also, and PowerShot ELPH300HS. These cameras have different names depending on locale. Here's the power converter. Let's unpack it. We're done. This is the battery, the fake battery. We're gonna be plugging this in. And we're gonna be plugging this in here to provide the power. Standard, I don't even remember what these are called, but quite standard, everything quite standard. I got the European plug, and I'm just gonna plug in. I guess I'm gonna start like this. Yeah, let's take a look at the details here. So we have AC-CU602, that's a model, and we got an output of 4.3 volts at 1.5 amperes. Oh, CA-PS500? CA-DC10? CA-PS500, that's a very familiar code for me. I think I got the same thing for, well, at least the same hull for the Canon EOS M10 that's recording this right now. Let's see, first let's check whether these actually start. Alright, this is actually running CHDK, which is the main reason why I want to revitalize these cameras. Let's see if this one starts as well. Sure does. We're going to start with the XS55 first. And thankfully it has this handy plastic thing we can take off. Well, peel off partially. Okay. Let me just plug this in. And let's try. Okay, that was a bit of a delay, but it worked. Can we focus on this? So that was my first picture using this power adapter. Fantastic, let's make a video. And we are recording. So what I'm going to use this for is time lapses. That's why I got this thing here. Okay, let's give it a spin with the, what was it again? PowerShot ELPH300HS. Out this goes. And the battery is out already. And this goes, this closes down. This also has some kind of flap. Very nice. Feels like it. Oh man, this one feels like it could break. Yeah, crud, it's breaking. This is literally falling off. Man, oh man. I can't believe my much older XS55 is performing better on this front. Darn. Anyways, let's test it. Small delay, but it works. Taking picture works, and how about a movie? It is working. So nice to see the constant megabyte size dropping when using CHDK. Well, that's all I'm gonna test for now. And it came off. Well, that sucks for me, but this thing works perfectly fine, so I got that going for me. There's a like beeping coming from it, but it's not extreme. Yep, hope this was useful for you as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, ciao!